So learners, last time we have done a map reading activity based on chapter 6 of your EVS book class 4, that is Omana's journey. Today we will know about our helpers in Indian Railway. So students, are you ready? Okay. First helper is train driver or engine driver. In railway, it is known as loco pilot. You can see this loco pilot, he is driving a diesel engine, and these two loco pilots, they are driving an electrical engine. So a train driver drives the train smoothly and safely from one station to another. So what is the work of a loco pilot, or you can say train driver? It drives the train smoothly and safely from one station to another. Guard, or you can say signal man. Yes, look at here. A guard, or you can say a signal man, he is having two flags, green one and red one. And in this train, you can see the signal man here. He is showing green flag, and this signal man is also showing green flags. So the main purpose of the signal man or guard is to provide signals to trains. These signals are the basis of running or halting a train at a particular station. Role of a guard is safe transportation of peoples and goods. जो गार्ड है इंडियन रेलवे में, मे बी वो रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पे वर्क करे या ट्रेन में, they exchange signals. Look here, this green flags, they show that the train has to run smoothly. It don't have to halt. उसको halt नहीं करना, उसको रुकना नहीं है. But if these two guards exchange this red flag, that means the train have to halt. उस ट्रेन को वहां पर रुकना पड़ेगा. तो मेन रोल गार्ड का है या सिग्नल मैन का है सेफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ पीपल्स एंड गुड्स. अगर पैसेंजर ट्रेन है तो पीपल्स का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एंड गुड्स ट्रेन है, फ्राइट है, तो गुड्स का सेफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. Ticket checker, and second one is ticket collector. Most of the students, they confuse between ticket checker and ticket collector. This picture is of a ticket checker, you can see, and this is ticket collector. The ticket checker, he is checking tickets within the train, within the coaches, and ticket collector, he checks your tickets while you are going out of the platform. So the main work of a ticket checker is to check whether the passenger traveling in the train have proper tickets. They impose fine on defaulters, और जिस भी डिफॉल्टर के पास टिकट नहीं होता उसके ऊपर फाइन इम्पोज करते हैं. And ticket collector, ticket collector's duty is to check whether the passengers going out of the station have tickets with them, be it train ticket or platform ticket. जो प्लेटफॉर्म से बाहर पैसेंजर्स मूव करते हैं तो टिकट कलेक्टर जो है वो उनकी टिकट चेक करता है. आपको पता है प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको खड़े रहने के लिए, प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप किसी को सी ऑफ करने आते हैं, रिसीव करने आते हैं, तो भी आपको प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट होनी चाहिए आपके पास. जब आप ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं तो आपकी सेफ्टी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, थीव से, रॉबर्स से, बगलर्स से. सो रेलवे पुलिस फोर्स, जैसे आपके सिटी में पुलिस फोर्स होती है वैसे ही रेलवे में भी पुलिस फोर्स होती है, एंड दैट पुलिस फोर्स मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर एट रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म एज वेल एज इन द ट्रेन. जो रेलवे पुलिस है वो रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी, यू कैन सी हियर, प्लेटफॉर्म एज वेल एज इन द ट्रेन, वो आपकी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को मेंटेन करती है. They check the security of passengers at the platform and in the train. सो आपकी ट्रेन जर्नी सेफ हो, सो आपकी रेलवे पुलिस फोर्स उसमें हेल्प करेगी. पोर्टर, कुली, सहायक, they are an integral part of our railway. They are not the employees of the railway. वो रेलवे के एम्प्लॉयज नहीं है, बट दे आर वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. जब हमारे पास बहुत सारा लगेज है और हम अकेले ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं, वी कांट मैनेज द ऑल द बैग्स, ऑल द होल लगेज जो है वो हम मैनेज नहीं कर सकते, और हमें पोर्टर की, कुली की, या अभी जो इनको एक न्यू नेम दिया गया है, सहायक. This name was given to the coolies, the porters, to pay respect. He carry passengers' luggage at railway stations, and sometimes he also helped Divyang people by pushing their wheelchairs. Right? Look at the mans. They are working on the tracks, railway tracks. You can see here, and जो इनके हाथ में इक्विपमेंट है, जो टूल है, दैट इज स्पैनर. आपने बहुत जगह देखा होगा ट्रेन ट्रैक्स में, आपकी ट्रेन फील्ड्स में से जा रही है, विलेजेस से जा रही है, हिल्स से जा रही है, माउंटेन्स से जा रही है. दीज पीपल wearing these orange, neon orange jackets, they are working on the tracks with these spanner. So what they do? They check the tracks, the bolts on the railway tracks. They are known as gangman. A gangman is to ensure safety of railway tracks. He carries heavy materials in a bag and a spanner to tighten loose bolts. Sweeper. A sweeper works at a railway platform, railway coach, and at the railway tracks. What he do? He cleans the railway platform, trains, and railway tracks at the platform. We must throw wrappers, empty plastic bottles, etc. in the garbage bin so that we can keep our railway platforms, coaches, and tracks clean. Ticket seller, or you can say a person who sells general unreserved tickets at railway platforms. Ticket seller, who is a ticket seller? A person who sells general unreserved tickets at railway platform. जो general unreserved tickets जो passenger trains में use होती है, he is known as ticket seller. Look here. And enquiry cum reservation clerk, a person who makes reservations and sells reserved tickets, is known as enquiry cum reservation clerk. When you travel in a train, you miss these peoples. They are caterers. And in Indian Railway, in few trains, this service, catering service, is provided by IRCTC.